Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has said that the proposed gambling facilities are only for tourists, while reiterating the government's intent of not allowing locals to partake in the activity. Reacting to the concern raised by Meghalaya United Christian Forum, MUCF, over media reports that Meghalaya is set to become a hub of legalized gambling and online gaming, Tinsong said that when the government approves the proposal, it is very clear that local residents would not be permitted. Asserting that the state government wants to promote Meghalaya as a tourist destination, he said that this is an area through which the government is looking to generate revenue. According to him, the taxation department has been asked to work out the modalities and to identify the concerned parties to establish casinos in the state.
We allow for people only coming from outside the state. When the cabinet approved the proposal, it is very, very clearly written over there, local residents will not be permitted. This is only for the purpose of people coming from different parts of India as well as overseas. Local people should not be part of gambling. You should not go to these designated places where we allow for people only coming from outside the state.